Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alexander, your online business English coach. Today we are diving into a topic that many find intimidating, making business phone calls. While emails and texts are more popular for work communication, phone calls remain a crucial way to connect personally and professionally. In this video, we'll explore why phone calls are essential. I will share over 40 key phrases for various call scenarios. So let's get started. First, we're going to see why phone calls matter. Many professionals prefer emails or texts over phone calls because of the anxiety around speaking live. Unlike written communication, phone calls require immediate responses and the effective use of tone and language, which can be challenging. According to communication experts, fear of not knowing what to say or how to say often keeps people from picking up the phone. However, the human voice conveys sincerity and builds rapport in ways that text can't. Even today, interviews and important meetings often happen over the phone, making it essential to master this form of communication. To help you feel more prepared and confident on your next business call, I compiled over 40 essential phrases. Practice these phrases to set the right tone and ensure clear, effective communication. The beginning of a call is crucial because it sets the tone for the entire conversation. A polite and professional greeting can help you create a strong first impression and establish rapport with the person on the other end. Here are some phrases to consider when starting a call. Hello, this is Alexander from Business English Coach. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Mark, it's Alexander here. Hi, George. I hope you're doing well. This is Alexander. Hello, Steven. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm calling about our next project. Hello, this is Alexander from Business English Coach. How you answer a call reflects directly on you and your organization. It's important to be clear, courteous, and helpful right from the start to create a positive experience for the caller. Use these phrases to ensure a professional start when answering a call. Hello, you've reached Business English Coach. This is Alexander speaking. How can I assist you? Alexander speaking. How may I help you today? Thank you for calling Business English Coach. This is Alexander. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Business English Coach and Alexander. How can I help you? Hello, you've reached Business English Coach. What can I do for you? When you need more details or need to clarify something that was said, it's important to ask questions in a way that shows you are engaged and interested in the conversation. Here are some phrases to use when seeking additional information. Could you please provide more details on that? I'd like to clarify something. When you mentioned, did you mean? Can you elaborate on that? I'm not sure I understood that last point. Could you repeat it? For my understanding, could you please explain a bit more? What do you think about? Could you specify which product, service, issue you're referring to? I'd appreciate if you could send that information in writing as well. Confirming what was discussed is a key part of any business call. It ensures both parties are on the same page and helps avoid misunderstandings. Here are some useful phrases for confirming details during a call. Just to confirm, we are in agreement on. Can you verify the details of? I want to make sure we're on the same page regarding. Let's finalize the decision on. To recap, we've decided to. Keeping others informed about progress or changes is vital in business communication. Sharing updates shows accountability and transparency. Here are some phrases to use when providing updates. I wanted to update you on the progress of. There can be some developments regarding. We made significant headway on. I thought it would be good to inform you about. The latest update on this is. Following through on commitments is key to maintaining trust and professionalism. When you promise to take action or follow up, it's important to be clear and specific about what will happen next. Use these phrases to convey reliability. I'll look into that and get back to you by Monday. Let me check on that for you. I'll be sure to update you by 5 p.m. I'll discuss this with Mark so we can address it. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. I'll make sure it's resolved. I'll schedule a follow-up call to discuss this further. I'll make a note of that and ensure it's taken care of. Let's reconvene in a week to discuss our progress. Technical difficulties are common, especially in the digital era. Handling these issues smoothly shows professionalism and adaptability. Here are some phrases to manage technical interruptions. I apologize for the interruption. There seems to be some background noise. Can you hear me clearly? I'm experiencing some connection issues. Sorry, I missed your last point. Can you repeat that? Let's reconnect if the line drops. I apologize for a technical glitch. Let's continue. How we end the call is important as how you start it. A strong, positive closing can leave a lasting impression and pave the way for future communication. Here are some ways to end the call professionally. Thank you for your time today. I appreciate the insights. It was great speaking with you. Let's touch base again soon. Thank you for the productive conversation. Have a great day. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll send over a summary of our discussion for your reference. I'll work on our next steps and keep you updated. Let's schedule another call to continue this discussion. I value your input and look forward to our next conversation. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We'll resolve this as discussed. Please let me know if there's anything else you'd like to discuss. And there you have it, my guide to mastering business phone calls. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more professional tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.